We're on an adventure today.
Oh yeah, we are in sand.
Wow, now we found rocks, we found dirt, we found sand.
Have a water motor.
Yeah, here you go.
Oh, that's a big one. Now this is good sand.
Thank you.
We're dropping a lot of sand.
Whoa, that was a big sand dump. Can you tell the kids what we're doing today?
We're doing construction
Cool.
and butterflies.
Oh, taking a walk and finding all sorts of things along the way. Doing construction when we find it. Doing construction with a front end loader and what else?
A dump truck.
A dump truck. Cool. Tell me what you're doing on the trail today, Elijah.
We're doing work today.
We're getting some rocks.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
and dirt.
Cool.
Because we just dumped out their area over somewhere.
We dumped out some old dirt out there. Cool.
On this rock.
Now we got some more rocks.
To put in the dump truck. Okay, last bit of rocks.
Thank you.
Where can I dump this big front end loader?
I don't know. Look for a good place.
Oh yeah. Tell me where to dump it. Oh, here's a good place.
Okay, be careful. That looks pretty steep. Whoa.
What's this?
Good job, dump truck. Okay, let's keep walking this way and find some over here. There's a big rock in there.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just gonna dump this way in the water.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh
I'm
boy.
just gonna throw it right in.
Okay. Whoa! What a big splash that rock made. That was huge.
And it landed right into the water.
Yeah.
And the rock. You want to find some rocks? Because I don't see any
I
rocks.
think we just got to keep walking till we find them. It's not a rock part of the trail. Keep adventuring until we find rocks. Ooh, careful on this bridge.
Broken. It's broken.
Yeah, that was like a broken bridge. I gotta climb up the roots. Yeah, that sand's a little hard to dig, but there's some good rocks on it.
Oh, what is this? That's stuck in sand wall. Okay, so last one, and then we're going. Oh, there's another rock.
Good job.